His hand and you allowed him talk. That is how we are going to get a solution. The old man is asking that there are two options. The family of Sabuni to take 350 acre, the community 250 acre. He's saying that the second option is the family of Sabuni gives, we give you a title. He's asking who's going to give you the title. Now the person who's going to give you that title is the family of Sabuni and the minister. Okay, listen.
Sisi kama Sabuni hatutaki vita. Hatutaki vita. Nilienda kwa MP kwa nyumba yake Ngopek, tukakaa na yeye, tukamweleza Ngopek, nimesikia mambo mengi ya hii watu ya mafia. Mimi nakwambia hivi, sisi tunataka vitu viwili. Siku 2006 tulikuja kwa meeting hapa California. Tulisema tunataka kuleta hapa maendeleo kama university. Watu wakasema ngoja kidogo nini. Tukasema tutangoja. Tuliongea na Ngopek, tunasema tunataka tukate dongo kubwa sana, watu wakae wapatie makaratasi. Lino akaniambia, kwa nini unakuja saa hii kama tunaenda kwa election? Kuja mara nyingine. Nikasema hii watu wanalia, watu wanakuja wanawachokoza, wawapatia dini makaratasi. Sisi wa Sabuni hatutaki nini? Vita, hatutaki. Tunataka watu wawapatie karatasi, mkuwe na vitu vyenyu. Ndio hiyo. Sasa kama mtu mwingine anasema kila ingine, nikasema wacha nikuje mimi niongee. Munaelewa?
Tunaelewa.
Munaelewa?
Tunaelewa.
Lazima mupate haki yenu. Lazima. Kama mupate haki yenu, si mimi Sabuni anaongea hapa. Mimi nawaheshimu kwa ajili mama ya baba wangu ni Aluru. Hata kama tumekuwa mahali pengine, tunaheshimu sana. Sitaki mambo ya kufanya ni ya vita.
Kuvuta ni kuvuta.
Mbele ya mimi.
Going to walk your way.
Joma pegimero winyowa omira chetoro kape chewan wapi weke chero.
I want first of all to tell the chairman Ero C3. He said he was talking about Banyankole. Banyankole are Ugandans. Let us not be discriminative to any religion.
Lokma chel ma amero wajene bot LC3. Eno berka lokom Nyankole. En mir nyang LC3 ni Nyankole go ber Ugandan. Go ber jo Uganda.
And the president of Uganda is a Munyankole, but he does not discriminate anyone. That is why you vote him 100%.
President me Uganda oberu Nyankole. En pepo ngatimo. Ginu mi wunu yer en pien en pepo ngatimo.
So as leaders, we should not incite people calling them Banyankole, Banyoro, Barugwara, Baruru, Bachori. We are all Ugandans.
Machalu tela. Pewo berka luonyin kaka man kon Nyankole, man kon Acholi, kon Lugwara, kon one machalu tela.
If you know the history of this place, this is the Munyoro Chitara Kingdom.
Kai ningeyu history make a better man. But
the Banyoro people live hand in hand with Baruru, and you have intermarried, and we are now one person. We are Ugandan.
And to Banyoro, Guberu Kachel ki Baruli, Gunyo Mekingi, Umi Komber one to you at Chachel.
And the Banyoro never chased you away from here. When you came here, no Munyoro has ever told you, Mururu, go back to Arua or go to Pakwachi. Go to West Nile.
Wumbe Maubiruni, Petit Munyoro, Mamurimu. Because
our great king, the Kawaliga, when he was running away, it is the people of Lango who assisted him cross that that bridge before they built the bridge to cross and hide away from the British in Lamu. And so we became relatives and cousins and friends, and we have intermarried. And take me la bolni kabaga mayang bero kan mutesa again kabalega ikar menu wayo uchere lang ki lang kuya ki gware uberi mabe nyometi kinwa wandu wati achel. So since the 1900 Banyoro, Balugwara, Baroro, Bacholi, Balango, this Kiryandongo district has become the United Nations of Uganda, including Kenyans who are living in this district. Asking you, let us remain united. The Constitution of Uganda recognizes the tenants, squatters. Uganda, but also recognizes the owner of the land, with the one with the paper. However, we as leaders, as in NRM, our president tells us we should live in harmony. We should promote unity. General Sabuni is the owner of the land by the document. General Sabun ngami but is now elect. Just like Tabana Amin's father, General Amin Dada, also has his land across. La bonne bene General Amin Dada recently we had another case here of Mr. Opoka, the former undersecretary, the former permanent secretary. His land had been taken by General Tabana Amin. But personally, I called General Tabana Amin and the minister and my sister Fiona. They came on ground and met Tabana Amin and told him the owner of this land by the title is Honorable Opoka, who is sick. So you cannot use their land, all is their land when they are available. However, you can negotiate to hire from them. Now that matter, Tabani left that land, and the land now is in the hand of Opoka's family. However, in this regard, in this village, you have built so many homes, and there are over 15,000 people in this Chankende sub-county. And what General Tabani Amin he had to say, I'm not the owner of the land. He left the land. And the owner, Mr. Opoka, who is sick, took over his land, and the family is now running his land. We knew Berutie. Ikom luge muduruma Tabana Amin tekwere. O import yuge muduru. O wero ngom kirwed ngom mano tike karatach. Makome dong lit. Chi kombe enkwanyo ngome cheye. And we have so many other land problems in Kiryandongo everywhere. But now we need a final solution for this land. You should not be sleeping on the bush thinking, as he calls them, Banyankole, are coming to chase them away from the land. You need a final solution. We need to have a final solution to this land ownership. And the only way we can know the final solution is by giving you a land title. And so that you stop being squatters on the land, you become landowners. Now there are two options government can do that. One, the land for the community and giving it to them. That is option one. Option two is identifying land which is undeveloped. We measure the entire land, open the boundary first of all of the entire land. Know where does Sabuni's land start and where does the Sabuni's land end. You may find you are mentioning 5 town councils when only Sabuni runs only in 2 sub-county, in 2 town council and a swamp. So the only way you can know Sabuni's land is by opening his land title to know where does his land start, where does his land end. After knowing the size of his land, where it starts and who are the people on the land, as government, we should support you to negotiate with the family of Sabuni on the two options. Option number one, telling Sabuni, you have how many acres? 600. We cannot give you 600. As Sabuni, you remain with 350. Let the community take 250 and sign their transfer form and the title. Give it to them at no fee, at no money. It is a free title. That is plan 2. And that is the quickest plan. Now, why I've come with the Minister of Lands? I'm your minister from Bunyoro. Masindi, Kiryandongo, and Bulisa, they are all part of Greater Masindi. Muzei made me a minister. I'm not supposed to benefit Masindi only. I'm supposed to benefit all people of Greater Masindi without discrimination. That is why I'm here. And then also, I'm the minister of the majority. All of you, the young people who are here, I'm your minister. I'm supposed to support you so that you don't become landless and then you go and commit other crimes on the street or in the neighborhood. So that is the only way I can support you. However, go ahead. I'm not an expert of the law of land. I'm here to ask you to be peaceful and to remain united and also to seek peace over war.
And a tear kind, me wajani, wunu mi rubeti coach, ki wa neno yo, matwa rubedo, wabedi
So
coach.
I'm going to ask my senior, the minister, the doctor of law. For him, he studied law. His work is he studied the constitution. He's going to come and talk to you using his constitution, and he tells you where we pass, where you pass, and then we get a solution and we move on.
And the law one check. Not mangi lokom check.
Before the minister come, I want to ask my sister, the presidential advisor, to come, the Munyankole, you call Munyankole, to come and greet you. There used to be monkeys here. So the monkeys were chased by the lions from the park. So they settled into a village where there are no people. So that they used to call this village Chankende, Are Nkende. Okay? Nkende is in Runyoro is the monkeys. Now, I'm going to invite the minister who is in charge of all the land of Uganda and who has solved all problems of land owners and the squatters in Uganda. He's a man who doesn't take a bribe. No one can give him any shilling. He's happy with what he has. But he's doing Muzee's what? Muzee's work. So let him come and talk to you. Listen to him attentively and follow his guidance. You don't have any other option. You have two options. Listening to the minister to assist you or going to court. That's it. Okay? You have how many options? Two. And the first option is the one we call peace. Yes. Peaceful resolution of the problem. Honorable Minister, come and talk to your people.